Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Trezor Safe 3 step by step. Begin by unboxing the Trezor Safe 3 and verifying the seal, then connect it to your computer and go to the official setup page. Follow on-screen prompts to create a wallet, generate a recovery seed, and set a PIN. Store your seed offline and never share it. I will walk you through each step calmly and clearly so you feel confident securing your crypto. Start by selecting a strong PIN and avoid birthdays, repeats, or patterns that are easy to guess. Write the recovery seed on the supplied card and keep copies in separate secure locations like a safe and a safety deposit box. Consider enabling a passphrase for layered security and treat it like a second password. I will explain how each choice affects recovery and everyday use so you can make practical security. When sending funds, always confirm the destination address on the Trezor Safe 3 screen rather than your computer monitor. Use the device to sign transactions, review amounts and fees, and approve only when details match. Keep firmware and companion apps current to ensure compatibility and security fixes, and reconnect the device only to trusted machines. I will demonstrate a secure send process and show how updates and verifications prevent common mistakes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.